Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, Mommy Omakajugo, I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa na oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị bịa amadi long. All you need to know about religion. Isiokwu anyị. Believe in me, message you today will be an eye-opening message to liberate people. Yes, from ignorance. What I'm telling you is that religion started from time immemorial. It can't differentiate religion and the way of life of a people or group of peoples coming together under one umbrella to propagate what they believe in. And well, many world religion today, yes, it started. The world religion, Okoibo, ancient time, those movements of belief, propagating beliefs and culture under what is known today as religion, was not started even by man. Yet, though we know that modern days we have so many beliefs and of people coming together to form it as a religion in order to help them as a vehicle to propagate it. Like the Hinduism started, and the Hinduism has no known founder. It's a way of life of a people. The same way Igbo spirituality has no founder. Igbo spirituality is embedded in our culture and the way of life of people, because we are the ancient. Yes. Religion is a group of people coming together under one umbrella to propagate a belief or culture, then under registered government recognition. We have many world religion today. I get never see anya. Enwere Buddhism, enwere Hinduism, enwere Christianity, enwere Muslims. Yes. Enwere quasi the other medicines, enwere the atheists, enwere the cross bearers, enwere many other world believe, even they are atheists. And the other people believing in so many things, and then they don't know what they are. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Yes, this show to go in the temple to Aja go for Kubu in this way. Ajana to one, Malita, the kiss a lie. Never opening on us over. Distance Abre Baria, Najana to my volume wine down the temple. It interested, he gave me a token donation. Account number, chat them na WhatsApp, forward ya 3 prayer requests I get the notes and actually on one. So I wouldn't want to do when I could have more tradition and dagger to Raja and Isifa on one. And I can never could be Okulisi chat them na WhatsApp. WhatsApp number get you tambo 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672. In a screen gig up for number. You should to go in a temple, to Ajago, for could be occurring difference of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. Now let's hit the ground running. Remember, I told you this lecture will not be long. What I want to tell you is that the religion started from time immemorial. Religion is simple means group of people coming together under one umbrella, under one belief, culture, to propagate what they believe in. I'm here to correct some impression. Some people are out there saying that religion is a scam. It's not true. If what failed is human being, yes, not the motive, the pioneers of every world religion did it in good faith. I can tell you that world religions, the pioneers of world religions all over the world did that in good faith, with love for mankind. I'm here to tell you that most world religion was formed, propagate and promote by messiahs, called ones, teachers, and rest of them all. They are for that particular purpose. It's not easy for you to even be permitted in creation to be a pioneer of any religion. It's not easy. All the with special grace and special calling, special mandate to do something like that. Yes. To have followers all over the world is not easy, or not easy task. We have the world oldest belief. Yes, spirituality is embedded in Igbo spirituality. Igbo spirituality started from time immemorial. No date can anybody claim that Igbo spirituality started. Igbo spirituality is as old as we, the Igbos and Africa. Igbo spirituality and Africa spirituality started from Okike. The nature. Igbo spirituality is embedded in nature, way of life, of a living of people and culture and tradition. Is what formulated the Igbo spirituality. That's why Igbo spirituality is based on Eze-Ana, the culture and tradition of people, and forbid the abominations. That is Igbo spirituality. So no one man will say that Igbo spirituality is the pioneer. Yes, and that's why Igbo spirituality has more different from region to region. It's not cast on stone. The African traditional religion, the way it's in Ghana is different, a slight different, but they mean the same thing. It's different from the way it's being practiced in Enugu. It might still be slightly different from the way it's being practiced in Anambra, but they're all the same thing. Yes, what normally makes it look different is the culture of people of that particular zone might be a little bit different in how these people do their own and how the other people do their own. But they all mean the same thing. Like where I came from, I'm from Anedo, Anambra State. Our side, we don't use dog to install owl. But there are some other people here we use okoko mowebu or here chopper where activate owl. However, other people they use one. I respect their decision. I just use that one as an example. So Igbo spirituality, if anybody is telling you that he embraces Igbo spirituality and is not talking about the religion aspect of it, believe in me, it's because of that lacuna of practicing Igbo spirituality individually. That is what made it possible for foreign religion to dethrone our original beliefs and culture, because they understood that our religion, instead of us to come together as an umbrella to watch each other's back, to protect each other, we are there practicing individualism. That is why many people, traditional worshippers, was humiliated in various towns in the 80s because of this individualism. That's why people like me believe as a reformer. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here to help Igbos and Africa in general to harmonize Igbo spirituality in form of religion, so that people will understand it. It has been there already, because you don't know. People like we have African traditional religion. Even if you go to school, they teach you African traditional religion. It's already registered with government. Yes, we otherwise known as Ghanaian religion. Started 12 December 1978. So, but what I can tell you is that African traditional religion is already there. Only that some people don't know. They keep practicing their individualism, and that individualism is why the foreign religion dominated, because they defeated us, our fathers, as a unit, instead of us to the Kukwasiza. So that's what somebody like me stand for, to unify the Igbo spirituality as a religion, so that it will have this umbrella shield of a religion. and offering umbrella shade that will protect it and give it more bite, and become more stronger. Let me tell you, in world religion, Hinduism has no founder. Hinduism, I have been to India about 25 years ago. In India, they have similar thing we have in African traditional religion known as Hinduism. Go to Google. It has no founder. Hinduism is formulated based on the culture, spiritual abilities, way of life of people, therefore is natural. In the Hinduism, I went there for a research. In Hinduism, they have similarity with what we have here. They believe in Bhagwan, the Almighty Father, the creator of the whole universe. However, they believe that there is other gods, like Lord Shiva and the rest of them. They believe the same way we believe in Amadioha, Udo, Ogugu, Nolas. So they believe in Indajerun Kechu. So Igbo spirituality has many things in common, very similar with Hinduism. However, after those years of BC, started from almost from when man became knowledge of counting dates. That is when Igbo spirituality started. Then concerning Hinduism started in about 1500 BC. Long after, we still have another Messiah from the Nepal, present day Nepal. Nepal is former India, and it will interest you to know is that India is a tribe that comprises many races, including African Indians. It will interest you to know from Asia Ocean. Then, but there is present day Nepal. Nepal used to be former India, but now is a country of its own. So a person called Siddhartha Gautama Siddhartha is the founder of Buddhism. He came with his ideology, and he began to preach. He was a prince, the throne prince. He began to teach about his concept and the message why he was sent. So he have large followers too. He's the founder of Buddhism. He built it in a form of religion. Yes, and it's that umbrella cover. He gave his teachings and the propagation that gave it a bite and made it possible for Buddhism to spread even to other countries like India, Japan, and so on. Then coming down, we have other world religion like Christianity. Christianity was never found by Jesus, by Christ. Christ came, he's a Messiah to his people. He came and preached the gospel, and he was dastardly murdered. Yes, after that, many years when he was murdered, some people thought it wise to preserve some of his teachings. That is when they began to assemble some of his teachings, and from there they write some books and rest of them. That is how the religion known as Christianity was formulated. Many years later, we still have more religion body, and believe in me, whenever it formed as a religion, it means that there is a group of people, they took it upon themselves to galvanize, re-amend, reintroduce, put one or two into it in order to make it reality for human comprehension and give it the way it will be acceptable by government. So if you have a belief system and it did not pass through government registration and whatever, it's not a religion. So Christianity passed through those process. Muslims passed through process that the founder like of Muhammad and rest of them. I have read the book, I have read Buddha and rest of them. So from there we have other more founders of many religions. We have the founders of the Ekanka, the way of the spirit, the Ek, the way of the spirit. Ek, Ka. Ek is the spirit, and Ka is the way. Now they promote and propagate about the light and sound. Yes, they have many world the leaders now before now. Now they still have the same world leader known as Mahanta. The present Mahanta is from America. For some of you that are on social media ignorant, they are teaching that religion is nothing, that religion is the problem we have here in North Africa. No, religion is not problem, but greediness of present human beings bastardize the initial interest and the purpose of life laid down by the founders. So religion is on its own is not the problem. The problem is modern men that so greedy and obsessed with materialism. Then going there, if you go to Germans and the Austria Axis, we still have where it's called known and called valley or mountain of Pampapak. And the founder of that particular religion known as Graham Message. He came with is a bringer of the light, is a bringer of message. He came and propagate his own belief. He established it as a religion, is well recognized everywhere. In Nigeria, they have millions members. In Nigeria, they have many temples in Greenland, Lagos. They have in South Ibie. They have in Abuja. They have Grey Acres in Benin, and they have so many places. They have millions of members in Nigeria. The founder of is Abroshin. So the same way they have in so many places. So we have modern world religion leaders of those religious sects all over the world. So their own belief and concept, the Abroshin, what's known as Abroshin, wrote so many books, spiritual books, like the Light of the Truth, Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3. Yes, I have read all those books. Now, then he's the founder of Great Message. Now, then the same thing with other world religion all over the world. Other world religions, I will not start mentioning them. There are too many to mention and everything. So what am I saying in essence? Religion is not bad on its own. But problem is that modern men are greedy. Yes, even among the religious people, the pastors, even some of the ordinary people, too demonic and too materialistic and everything. So they are taking advantage of ignorant people. Let me stop you. If you have any question in today's lecture, you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672 is in the screen. Let us pray. Ekwem. Ekwerem na Chineke. Ekwerem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwu oke pụrụ ihe niile be with you all now and forevermore. Ya gazie.